this is Rajiv again, and I made this other app that you could draw on, like L, line, L, erase, you could turn, L, jump, turn, line, see? And I could erase the line, if I press clear, I erase everything I drew. This is L. This is another L. I made a square. And I can press jump, L, turn, and line. And I made a rectangle. See? So yeah, you could like draw anything you want here. You could just, tap on these things to draw. And then you could start drawing whatever you want, see? And yeah, you could draw, you could create drawings, and yeah, that's what you could do on this. See? You could make all these weird types of art and stuff, and you could like post it and take photos and put it, so yeah, and make sure to check out my other videos. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.